we'll have about, I think we have time for just 4 questions. I prefer that the questions
Someone
are
wants to ask a question, please.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
I have a mic. I was supposed to ask one question. I'll just ask it.
मेरी आवाज काफी है। मैं ऐसा पूछना चाहता हूँ कि हम सब इकट्ठे हुए हैं, तो सबसे पहले हमें ये लगता है कोई इलेक्ट्रल रिफॉर्म्स या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रिफॉर्म्स की कोई आवश्यकता है? क्यों है? इसके मैं कारण बताता हूँ कि वी आर इन रियल डेमोक्रेसी, हेड्स आर काउंटेड, माइंड्स आर नॉट. What is the definition of communism? There is equality, but some are more equal than the others. Who are more equal than the others in this country? Politicians are more equal than the others. So what I think that there is a need of the circumstances to have a reforms in election and constitutional reforms. और दूसरी बात है कि वोटिंग कंपलसरी होना चाहिए. वोटिंग अगर कंपलसरी होता है तो आप लोग सब वोटिंग करने जाएंगे. एट द सेम टाइम नेगेटिव वोटिंग का भी अधिकार होना चाहिए कि अगर आपके कैंडिडेट जो दिए गए हैं हमें पसंद नहीं है तो नेगेटिव वोटिंग के लिए भी एक स्विच होनी चाहिए कि
Excuse me, what's your question?
मुझे तो लगता है कि before a political party announces a candidate, they should run a poll in the newspapers, in the regional and the others. Which candidate do you prefer for your area? That's what it should be, according to.
Yeah, hi, my name is Sriram. I'm doing engineering. And my question is to Miss Kiran ma'am.
No, excuse me. You haven't asked a question.
My question is to Kiran ma'am.
बच्चों, आपकी बात मान ली ना सबने? आपकी बात से तो सब
कौन पूछ रहा है अभी?
आप बैठिए.
हाँ, पूछिए.
Yeah, I've observed during my last year, I used to cover debates in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and I observed the debates in Rajya Sabha much more enriching. So my question is, the real intelligent people.
It's too loud.
Okay, the intelligent people of both parties, they are in Rajya Sabha. That's my view. And if I have to join a party, my view is that if I have to win an election, I have to be corrupt in some way or the other. No. Because you have to win over the people. And to win over the people, you have to offer them something which is not ordinary. Okay. So my question is, if I join some party, how do you ensure? Suppose I join the BJP. How do you ensure me that you won't push me into Rajya Sabha if I'm that capable?
There's a long waiting. Don't worry.
Sweetheart, to get into the Rajya Sabha, matlab, you better join the Congress then. Chamchagiri might get you there, but BJP is very tough. It's very tough.
Given the BJP, the real intelligent people are the Rajya Sabha. And to Aditya sir, they are very inspiring to me. I find you really inspiring. And why don't you, I'm not saying I won't do it, but my question is, has anyone tried to raise the Kashmiri issue like Subramaniam Swamy has raised the issue of like 2G scam or something? Even Narendra Modi, I've observed the Supreme Court gives the right decisions. So why doesn't somebody just challenge the Kashmiri whitewash? The Holocaust that has taken place. Why doesn't somebody just...
The members of the NSC are too busy chamchifying the separatists there.
See, last 48 hours you have yourself seen how everybody has been going crazy over Gujarat and the Supreme Court verdict. Just to inform you that there is a case going on in the Supreme Court, and the National Human Rights Commission has already declared us as the situation in 1990 akin to genocide. So, and that happened, Mrs. Meenakshi Lekhi's father-in-law was our advocate in that case, Swargya Prannath Lekhi ji. And I want to personally mention here that I'm indebted to Mrs. Kiran Kher and Mrs. Meenakshi Lekhi, because whenever we are such a discriminated lot, we have been pushed to the fence that whenever in a TV studio, Lekhi ji or Kher ji or Anupam ji or whoever comes, every कश्मीरी पंडित हाउस होल्ड उनमें दिए जल जाते हैं. मतलब इतना खुशी और इतना थैंकफुलनेस हम प्रकट करने चाहते हैं. नॉट जस्ट दैट, इवन अ स्मॉल कैरेक्टर इन चेतन's novel, he is a Kashmiri Pandit. That gives such a great satisfaction to us all. Thank you so much.
Yeah, good evening everybody. My question would be directed to Chetan sir. So I totally agree with the fact that the urban youth is an opinion leader and it has a big influence on the youth in the tier 2 and tier 3 of the rural population. In fact, youth preferably. So apart from Facebook I don't feel is a very genuine place where we can display or portray our intellectual ideologies. So what other mediums can the urban youth play its part in passing this trickle down effect of the ideological factors?
Yeah, you know, मैंने Facebook इसलिए बोला कि वो आसान है. Can you guys at least promise this when you go back, you'll put a status update on Facebook, what you learned today, or yeah, can you at least do that? Then it'll amplify this. But you know, ideally, I'd like people to travel. I'd like people to travel to small towns, and this fascinating stuff for tourism. I mean, for example, I've written many books. They were all in metros, and I really felt like, not ashamed, but I felt what is this going on? I don't really know India. So next one I wrote is on Varanasi, which a place I didn't really know. But you know, I really got fascinated, and my being there, you know, him mentioning that I just mentioned Kashmiri Pandits, they like it. I would like to mention something on Kashmir. I know it's totally off the topic, but he mentioned the festival. I am a little sad. There was a nice lit fest being done there. Just as my readers are here, they are there in Kashmir also. In fact, I want to share something with Jai Hind people. The team that manages my fan mail, they are entirely from Jai Hind College. Do you guys know that? And they will confirm to you that I get mails from Kashmir all the time. I get mails from Kashmir from Hindus as well as Muslims, as well as BJP supporters, as well as Congress supporters. You know, I really believe people are the same. You know, everybody likes ice cream, right? Right? So if we all like ice cream, then we are the same. Basically, as simple as that. And I think the cases, what needs is a good society, and if whichever party promises to do that, of course, and convinces people that they will do that, of course people are going to support them. You know, if that communication is very clear. Of course, we live in little mistrust times, and you guys have attended this. It's a very good question you asked, so you can influence. Talk to your maid. What is the wrong in talking to your maid and asking, you know, what happens in your village? How do people vote? Whenever you sit in a car, in a cab, I ask the driver, कैसे आप vote करते हैं? You know, आपके गांव में लोग कैसे vote करते हैं? That's why I learned so much about how caste-based voting works. I mean, you almost can see why they do that. You can, it's you know, so do all those things, integrate. It's not like अब हम जय हिंद के हो गए तो अब हम, you know, हाजी अली के पार वाले लोगों से बातें नहीं करेंगे. Yeah, some silly things. I mean, I'm just joking, but you know, and of course I'm very disappointed about Kashmir. But you know why I really wanted to go to Kashmir? It's not just for the Kashmir Pandit. I once did an MBA interview, and those I was doing two at a time, and two very good looking boys came, and they were Muslim boys from Kashmir, and they were appearing for MBA, and they said, sir, when I joined college, I was in a hostel, and my nickname was terrorist. And you know, it just stayed with me. And I know it's not same as the suffering you have endured. I know. And I know you have also endured, and he's also enduring it. And you know what he told me? He said, sir, but I promise you have not seen a gun in my life. I was like, the sad part is not that, it's like you have to justify it. You know, things just have to be normal. We just need good society. And it's not very hard. We are taught this early on. And I'm really glad you guys have done this initiative, and I'm really glad you're asking that how we can spread this, because this is how change happens. Change happened in India. First, we used to have sati in India, and you know, it was such a horrible practice in the name of religion. How hard it must have been to change it, right? Because you're taking on God, right? The girl's going to heaven. Hello, how can you stop that? Now someone did it, right? Nobody told him to do it. He didn't belong to a party. So you can say that, okay, in my lifetime, I will try and do this. I am telling you, I know what young people think. All these things you think about, oh, am I looking nice? You know, what did my girlfriend say? You did this say? And do people like me? Am I popular enough? That's where your mind space is, right? That's why the debates are not watched. That's why politics. I know this crowd is different. The fact that you're sitting here while you could be out on Marine Drive, you know, walking hand in hand. I mean, it means you're different. बट आई एम सेइंग उन सब चीज़ों में कुछ नहीं रखा है, पता है. आई मीन एक लिमिट तक ठीक है, लेकिन सारा टाइम यही सोचते रहो कि मेरे दोस्त क्या सोच रहे हैं, मेरी फेसबुक पे कितने कमेंट्स आए, कुछ नहीं लगेगा उसमें. लेकिन इससे शायद बदल जाएगा कुछ, जो कल को बच्चे आएंगे बोलेंगे अच्छा किया आप लोगों ने ये हमारे लिए बदला, you know, and that is why just do, so do it on Facebook, travel if you can, talk to your maid. I've given you many ideas, but Facebook statuses you have promised. Twitter also. How many of you follow me on Twitter here? Oh wow, this is like Twitter. So yeah, you guys, it's very smart audience. I must say the audience is smarter than us. Let's face it. मान लो आप लोग.
But you know, it's really true that
We-
people
we-
in small towns are far more politically aware
Yeah, they are.
than people in big metros. You
We
have
have
too many, what should I say,
We have time only for 2 questions, so
distractions.
Question. My question is Mr. Aditya Rajpal. What do you think should be, or what do you suggest as as a 16-year-old girl, being a citizen of India, should do against corruption and all the bad people in Parliament?
Well, it is a very small but a very difficult question. I don't know actually, but what I would really suggest is again be aware. What we really kind of जो मेरे साथ होता था वो ये था कि I used to see my father pay small people 20 rupees, 30 rupees काम कराने के लिए, and that's a way of life that keeps happening in India. I mean that is a mindset. इसको हम corruption भी नहीं कहते हैं, इसको कहते हैं यार ये तो चलता रहता है attitude. But this has to change, and I think you can change it. You don't have that predefined notion. You don't have set things in your life. So I think you can challenge that, and you can ask your father कि नहीं आज से ये नहीं करेंगे. And छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए पासपोर्ट बनाना है, you have to pay 1,000 rupees. Slap that guy. मैं नहीं करूँगी आज. और आप विजिलेंस में जा सकते हैं, आप हर जगह कंप्लेंट. There are avenues. There is right to information. I don't know how many of you have filed the right of information application. I have filed more than 500 RTI application in the Home Ministry. And at the end of it, the person who used to accept my applications, वो मेरे को चाय पीने के लिए बिठाता था साथ में. कि आप हमारे साथ बैठ जाइए, हमारे regular RTI filer हैं. So I think you just have to think for 2 minutes कि कहाँ आपको problem है, कहाँ government में या overall कहाँ problem हो रही है और इसका solution क्या है. I think the solution lies with you. Yeah.
Don't take the easy way out and ask questions. Because if so many people ask so many questions of the government, they're going to get uncomfortable. That's why Anna Hazare's movement has been wonderful. It's awakened that desire to ask questions.
the last question.